Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to the lecture series RF Design, SEM 8 Class B Electronics and Telecommunication, Module number 3 Frequency Generation and Mixers. In this lecture, we are going to explain the another type of mixer, that is image rejected mixer. Also will be defined another types of mixer. So we know that the RF input signal is consist of two distinct input signals. So their frequency, the RF input signal, which is a combination at two frequencies. First one is a oscillator and second one is a intermediate frequency. So it is a combination of two frequencies. It may be sum or difference which is generated by the mixer. So first one is a local oscillator frequency and second one is your intermediate frequency. Will be down converted at the same intermediate frequency when mixed with the local oscillator. The two frequencies are upper sideband and the lower sideband of double sideband signal. So the desired response can be arbitrarily selected, either LSB or either USB. So it will be generated two sidebands. So first one sideband which is generated a frequency, for example, if generate a upper sideband, then the frequency for the upper sideband is to be sum omega L plus omega I. So this is the frequency band for upper sideband, and if the RF output frequency is difference between two frequencies, local oscillator minus intermediate frequency, it will be generated the LSB. So these frequencies, assuming the positive image frequency, so there is a image which will be generated in previous mixer, that is when we see the balance mixer due to the voltage reflection. So that can be represented, that can be overcome the drawbacks of this with the help of image rejected mixer. So image rejected mixer is used to isolate two response of the into separate output signal. The same circuit can also use for the up conversion, and if in this case IF input signal is delivered to the either LSB or USB port, if the IF is a hybrid associated with the single sideband is produced by the RF port of the mixer. So we can analyze the image rejected mixer by using small signal approximation. So first we draw the circuit diagram for an image rejected mixer, which consists first RF input. You can see clearly here. Here is a RF input, characteristic impedance Z0, a 90-degree RF hybrid, which generates the voltage VRF at port A, another at port B, VRF. Here is a two multipliers. Two multipliers with two inputs by the local oscillator input. Then the output is given to the low pass filter, LPF, then second LPF, again the output of two low pass filter, which is consist of VIF A and VIF B. It will be generate two intermediate frequencies, which is given to the either upper sideband or lower sideband. So this is 1, 2, 4, 3, so 90 degree RF hybrid. LSB output, voltage V2 with USB output. So this is the figure circuit for an image reject mixer. We can analyze the image reject mixer filter using small signal approximation. Let RF input signal can be expressed in instantaneous value or peak value in the form of, so V is equal to upper sideband cos omega LO plus omega IF into T plus lower sideband voltage cos omega LO minus omega IF into T. So this is equation number 1, where VL and VU are the amplitude of upper and lower sideband. By using scattering matrix for 90 degree hybrid, which gives the RF voltage for the diodes. So V of T is equal to 1 by root 2 VU cos omega LO into T minus plus omega RF into T minus 90 degree plus VL cos omega LO minus omega IF into T minus 90 degree, bracket complete. So after solving this equation, we get 1 by root 2 is equal to VU sine omega LO plus omega IF into T plus omega L sine omega LO minus omega IF into t. So this is the equation number 2. Similarly, we can write down for the voltage for this VBFT, so it is given for VB of t 1 by root 2 VU cos omega O plus omega IF into t minus 180 degree plus VL cos omega LO into t minus omega IF into t minus 180 degree, bracket complete. After solving the equation, minus 1 by root 2 is equal to VU sin cos LO plus omega IF into t plus omega L into cos omega Ln minus omega IF into t. So this is equation number 3. After mixing with the local oscillator signal, the low pass filter, so after mixing this local oscillator, the output of the low pass filter, the output at LPF and low pass filter, so VIF A of t is equal to KVLO divided by root 2 to VU minus VL sin omega IF into t. This is equation number 4. VIF into B of t, where k is a constant, root 2 divided by VU plus, for the upper side band, cos omega IF into t. This is equation number 5, where k is a mixer constant. K is a mixer constant. Square term diagonal the phasor diagram. So phasor VIF A into t in phasor diagram means in complex conjugate VLO divided by root 2 into 2 VU minus VL. This is equation number 6. B, that is plus k into VL root 2 divided by 2 VU plus VL. That is equation number 7. So combining the voltage in the IF hybrid following outputs, so V1 minus J VIF A divided by root 2 minus voltage, intermittent voltage at V point, that is root 2, which is come out to be equal to K into voltage at local oscillator, voltage at L divided by 2, that is LSB. So this is equation number 8. Similarly, we can calculate voltage at 2, that is USB. So minus intermediate voltage at point A minus J intermediate voltage at point B divided by root 2 divided by root 2, which is equivalent to the minus J K VLO into amplitude of the upper sideband divided by 2. So this is equation number 9, which is called USB, and this is called a LSB. So which are the separated sidebands to downward signal, the outputs expressed in time domain. So the output presents in time domain. So V1 of t is equal to K into voltage at the local oscillator, voltage at the lower sideband into cos omega IF into t. This is equation number 10, and beta of t is equal to K into VLO into voltage of the upper sideband divided by 2 cos omega sin omega IF into t. So this is equation number 11. So this is about the description image related mixers. Now we define some another types of mixers. So another types of mixers that can be provide various advantage in terms of bandwidth, harmonic. Another types of mixers, the bandwidth. So this another types of mixer provide the advantages. So what are the advantages which will be provided? First one is a bandwidth, harmonic generation, and intermodulation products. The double balance mixers, the two hybrid junction transformer, the examples of double balance mixer. So what are the other mixers? So other mixers types which provide the advantages: bandwidth, harmonic generation, and intermodulation products. So that is double balance mixer. So in the we can see this is the double balance mixer, which consists 3 dB hybrid 180 degree low pass filter and local oscillator. So double balance mixer, the two hybrid junction transformer provide the good isolation between 3 ports as well as the rejection of all harmonics of the RF frequency and local oscillator signals. So this leads very good conversion loss but less ideal input matching. So that is the advantage. And double balance mixer also provides the higher third order of intercept point, either single-ended mixer or balance mixer. Then also we define some anti-parallel diode mixer, which is shown here. The anti-parallel diode mixer, which is often used subharmonically pumped multimeter, was frequency conversion. So these are the types of the your another mixer. So with this lecture we complete the module number 3 frequency generations and mixers. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, kindly mention in comment box or personally on WhatsApp or write us on email. Thank you very much.